Hello guys, welcome to the channel Legit Online Earning. This is another update on the TLM coin. I know today is a very bad day for the TLM holders, myself included. You see here I have opened 1 minute chart and I was looking that when it was launched, within a minute the coin dumped from the $5 to 0.1 in a minute, and after that it was a misery. So as I told you in the last video that a large supply uh, caused the dump, and also the exchange. I was going through the tweets and I found this tweet to very interesting, the crypto THFC. And before that, let me show you, there are so many tweets here which are 2 to 3 days ago, like this one, Coin98 Analytics. This page has got 62,000 followers, okay, 62,000 followers, and they said in the top 10 upcoming events in the April 2021, where they include 13 April list on Binance TLM. So you see, there are it's not my fault that people are cursing me in the comments. They are giving me hate that I tended to, I tended people to buy the TLM token. No, I gave you the analysis. I don't say that to buy this and that. It's always better to do your own research. Okay, it was my duty. Now the timing was wrong, you can say as well, because it BTC is at all-time high, okay, and other coins are also bleeding. So this was the wrong timing, I would say. And I am very sorry to all the people who bought TLM. You can't do anything but just wait. So this is a tweet I was looking, and he said that as I realized predicted last night, TLM did drop by 10x. So what happened here? Let me show you. In fact, I think 10x. The Binance research page isn't very clear. What happened is, here you can see the CoinCap market shows the circulating supply is 124 million, okay, whereas, let me go back, whereas on the Binance it says the token supply when listing is here. It shows on the yellow, where you can see the yellow one, the yellow line, okay. Here it says it's approximately, you say 5 million, 35 million, 120, that's 5 billion, and then the initial circulating supply is 1.2 billion, okay, whereas the CoinCap market shows the supply of 124 million. So the Binance data is not matching with this, and this is what this guy is telling, that so interested to see what happens with TLM on listing tomorrow. The total supply will, okay, 50x. So he also gave the good analysis. So, and there are a lot of people, you see here, I don't know if MXC exchange is to blame or TLM, but something dodgy definitely happened there, and a lot of people are complaining about this, myself included. You see, there are a lot of people. I was also going through another tweet which was interesting, and it says that people, where was it, let me check. So there are a lot of tweets. You see, this was a tweet, I think. This is how Binance deal with people's money. Just few minutes before launching, TLM coin on Binance 75% down. How is it possible? Beware these tricks. You see, there you go. Before launching on the Binance, okay, the price was dumped on the MXC exchange as well. So that's very weird. They were, just playing with the people's money. So this has happened, and this one says that causes controversy by launching a new coin TLM into launch pool staking instead of launchpad. So what I have, this one's, just look at this, lost almost 80% of my life savings on this shit coin today. Look at, guys, a lot of people have messed up, and not myself as well, but I did not buy. I did not bought any TLM. I staked, you see, and many people have staked, because what I have learned is that don't buy the coin unless its supply is less, one thing. And the second thing is that if that coin which is going to be listed on Binance, that coin should not be listed anywhere else. It should be, and it should not be traded anywhere else. So what happened was MXC exchange, I think they had might be had partnership or whatever you can call it. Why did they launch before the listing on Binance? That's my question. Why did they launch? The people bought TLM tokens on the MXC exchange, and then before launching they dumped. So that's how the price went too low, and I'm very disappointed with the TLM coin today. And this is how it goes, guys. Very sorry for that, and please don't think that I want your loss or anything like that. My aim is to give you the detailed analysis. Okay, I've been putting in all the efforts just to give you the analysis. I'm not your financial advisor. Please keep that in your mind. You're also good people. You also know how to research and this and that. But what I did was, before launching, how price went up from $1 to $6 in 5 days when it was announced on the Binance. You see, this is and you just look at this. Binance listed coin can dump to 0.x. Very unusual, not a financial advice. You see, a lot of people are complaining about this TLM coin. So guys, this has happened to all the people. So please bear it. Just learn the hard way. Don't invest the money you can lose, or you can say don't invest on the listing. Just wait for the dumps and things you have learned. As I have already told you to not buy those coins which are already traded on other exchanges. So that's the hard lesson being learned on this coin, TLM coin. So that's over and out from my side, and sorry if anyone got hurt by my things. I'm sorry for that. In the coming videos I will try to post some good comments, and I'm gonna show you some good ways, because I have invested I invested $500, and now I am at approximately $4,500 with doing spot trading on Binance. So I will show you that method as well in the coming videos, so bear with me. And this was totally a shit coin, I can now recall, and my old videos were just the predictions, my analysis, as other people on the YouTube also gave the analysis. So please don't say that I told you to buy. I just gave you the analysis, the stats, and that's how it went. So take care, guys. I hope may God help your losses to recover soon. Bye.